Okay, so let's be real. Every time you open your phone or scroll through social media, you see it, right? Some new headlines screaming that AI is coming for your job and, well, that we're all pretty much doomed. It's a scary story, and it is everywhere. And these headlines, they're terrifying. They're designed to be. And here's the interesting part. A lot of the big tech companies, they kind of love amplifying this panic. Why would they do that? Simple. Fear creates hype, and hype, my friends, sends stock prices through the roof. But what if that's not the real story? Let's just step away from the Hollywood drama for a minute and look at what's actually happening on the ground. Because all the evidence is pointing to something else entirely. AI isn't here to destroy careers. In fact, it's about to kickstart one of the biggest job booms in modern history. To really wrap our heads around the future of AI and work, we actually need to look backwards first. Believe it or not, we have been through this exact kind of tech panic before. Let's talk about accountants. Picture it, the 1970s and 80s. When electronic calculators and the first computers showed up, accountants everywhere freaked out. I mean, this new machine could do their main job, tedious calculations, in seconds. The panic was totally real. But what actually happened? Did all the accountants lose their jobs? Nope. The machines took over the boring, repetitive number crunching, and that freed up the humans to evolve. The job of accountant transformed into financial advisor. And the result? The number of jobs in finance absolutely skyrocketed because their work became more valuable, faster, and more strategic. And that is exactly what's happening right now with AI. Think of it this way. Today's AI is just a really, really advanced calculator. It's an incredible tool for getting tasks done, not some conscious mind that's plotting to steal your desk chair. Technology doesn't kill jobs, it reshapes them. So, how is this playing out today? Well, while so many people are focused on the jobs that might go away, a massive brand new labor market is being built right under our noses. It's creating jobs that, honestly, you couldn't have even imagined 5 years ago. For instance, have you heard of a prompt engineer? An AI is like a genius orchestra without a conductor. The prompt engineer is that conductor. They use human language, creativity, and logic to direct the AI and get these incredible, precise results out of it. It's a job literally powered by human imagination. Or how about an AI data auditor? Now, this one is crucial. We know AI can sometimes hallucinate. That's a nice way of saying it. Just make stuff up and present it as fact with total confidence. That has created this huge demand for humans, people with sharp critical thinking, to be the fact checkers, to verify and correct what the AI spits out. And then there's the augmented content creator. A single person using AI tools can now write scripts, design graphics, code a website, and produce these stunning videos all by themselves, from their own room. A job that used to require a huge team and a massive budget. But this is probably the most important part of this whole conversation. There is an absolute wall that AI cannot and maybe will never be able to cross. And that wall is genuine human experience. Think about it. A machine can write a perfect poem with perfect rhyme and meter, but it has never actually felt joy. It's never felt grief. An AI can diagnose a disease from a medical scan with jaw-dropping accuracy, but it can't hold a patient's hand and offer real human comfort. It doesn't know what that feels like. So what does that mean for the job market? It means that skills like deep empathy, emotional intelligence, complex human negotiation, inspiring leadership, these are about to become the new premium. They're about to double, maybe even triple in value. In a world full of algorithms, these uniquely human skills are the rarest and most important currency there is. So if the danger isn't a rogue chatbot and it's not the Terminator, then what is the real danger here? The real threat is actually something much, much closer to home. Because at the end of the day, AI is just a tool. That's it. Just like the printing press or the calculator or the internet. It's powerful, for sure, but it doesn't have its own goals or intentions. The tool itself is neutral. And this all leads us to the single most important takeaway. The golden rule you need to burn into your brain is this. AI won't take your job. It won't. But a person who knows how to use AI, oh yeah, they absolutely will. See, the competition isn't human versus machine. It's human versus another human who has a much better tool. So what does that mean for you, personally? Your ultimate competitive advantage from here on out is adaptability. It's your willingness to embrace this change, to commit to learning the new tools, and to figure out how to use them to accelerate what you already do and multiply your own productivity. So you're at a crossroads. We all are. You can either keep fearing the change, paralyzed by all those scary headlines, or you can decide to start mastering these tools and become one of the pioneers shaping our future. The choice really is up to you. I'll leave you with one final question to think about. What is one job, one profession that you believe AI will absolutely never be able to master, no matter how ridiculously advanced it gets? Chew on that for a bit.